Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today I'm gonna make a quick unboxing of this Trisan hair trimmer, the Badger. So stay tuned, man. Alright. Yo. So this is the hair trimmer. I mean the box. Looks good. Really looks good, and yo, got I guess 7,000 RPMs. Well, it's not waiting here. Yeah, 7,400 RPMs, 1,500 milliamp battery, 3 hours, 3 hours runtime, and 2 hours charging time. Okay, which is good. Got a super torque motor. Okay, got 4 LED indicator. Comes with a 3 colors. And at the back, I guess TPOB cycle blade gonna fit on it. Maybe you're gonna need also the bracket of this Badger. So now let's open it. So okay, comes with a charging stand also, as you can see, and 3 guide combs, cable, USB-C, I guess. Okay, this is it. Trisan. Okay, and the manual. Okay, so this is the hair trimmer. Trisan logo. And I guess you cannot zero gap this blade. So it comes like this. It's already zero gapped. Not. So I can't really see it. But there is a screw whereby somehow you can zero gap it. There's a screw, as you can see, but you cannot zero gap it. Here, USB-C. Okay. And now let's make a sound check. This is the indicator. Okay, it's not bad somehow. And it's not a brushless motor, just a normal rotary motor. Okay. Like this glue. I like the grooves here, which is good, and the thumb indent. It feels good. It's not bad. Okay. On the back. Yeah, so that's it for the unboxing of this Trisan Badger, and uh, peace, man. All right.